Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Want to become a web developer in 2026 but confused about where to start? I'll show you the exact roadmap from beginner to job-ready developer. Hi, this is Skill Bakery, where we break down complex tech skills into simple, practical learning paths. Let's get straight into the roadmap. Step 1 is mastering the fundamentals. Every web developer starts with 3 core technologies. HTML for structure. If you skip this stage, everything later will feel confusing, so build a strong foundation first. CSS is for styling the appearance of your content. And JavaScript is for adding interactivity to your website. Next comes responsive design. In 2026, users browse on phones, tablets, and desktops. You should learn Flexbox, CSS Grid, and mobile-first layouts to make your sites look great on every screen. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to level up your JavaScript skills. Learn functions, promises, async and await, and how JavaScript interacts with the browser. This is where you stop feeling like a beginner and start thinking like a developer. After JavaScript mastery, it's time for front-end frameworks. In 2026, React and Next.js continue to dominate modern web development. They help you build faster, cleaner, and more scalable applications. To become a complete developer, you need backend knowledge. First, understand the core concepts. You need to understand how servers, APIs, authentication, and databases work together. Then choose a server-side framework. Learning at least one backend framework allows you to build real-world, production-ready application. Every serious web app works with data. You need to know how to store and manage it. AI is now mainstream. Learn how to integrate AI features like chatbots and recommendation systems into your web applications. Knowing this will set you apart as a modern developer. Next comes real-world tools. Learn Git and GitHub for version control and basic cloud deployment. A project that's online is far more valuable than one on your local machine. Finally, focus on projects. Build small applications, then complete portfolio-level projects that solve real problems. This is what employers and clients actually care about. At Skill Bakery, we structure learning exactly this way, step-by-step, practical, and beginner-friendly. If you want guided courses and real-world projects, check out skillbakery.com. Subscribe for daily web development tips, roadmaps, and tutorials. Tomorrow, we'll break down what to learn first.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.